Ever find yourself wondering why we yawn? It's a curious behavior that goes beyond just feeling tired. Yawning isn't just for humans, it's a common sight across different animal species. Initially believed to boost oxygen levels, recent studies reveal a fascinating twist. Yawning actually helps cool our brains, regulating temperature and improving blood flow. And here's a fun fact: contagious yawning isn't just a coincidence. It's all about empathy and social bonding, keeping groups alert and connected. So, next time you catch a yawn, remember, it's more than just a reflex. It's a brain-cooling mechanism and a social tool. Share your yawn experiences below, and don't forget to stay tuned for more intriguing insights here on BrainBites.